Hey everyone, this is Design CS. I am back with new interesting video on Figma. This time I have bring you best plugins for Figma. Now let's begin our video. Freepik is an awesome website where you can find free images, video, vectors for the design project. Freepik plugin helps you to add images and elements in your Figma project. You can choose more than 1000 plus elements for free from this plugin. Remove BG works like its name. This plugin helps you to remove the background from the image. Removing background from the image is one of the key features of Photoshop. The result of this plugin is very clean. Topath is a simple yet powerful plugin in Figma. Like in Adobe Illustrator, this plugin helps to fill the object or text in the path. You can also adjust the objects from the settings or manually by selecting individual vectors. This plugin specially helps to make logo designing in Figma. If you want to add the infographics in your design, then you can add those from the Storyset plugin. Storyset plugin is also designed by Freepik. It has a collection of infographics elements. You can change its theme colors and hide the background. All the elements in this plugins are in SVG format, so you edit it in Figma file too. Easometric. Easometric. It is similar to Easometric plugin, but this plugin is very easy to use. You can easily transform the shape using this plugin. This plugin will be helpful if you want to make isometric illustration in Figma. I hope these plugins will be helpful to you in your project in the Figma. If you like my videos, then please hit like and subscribe the channel for more such content. Till then, stay safe and thank you.